Hey everyone, today I have a really cool kitchen item here. This is by Cuisinart. It's their Griddler GR-4N. The N stands for the new series because it was updated from the GR-4. And it is a 5-in-1 kitchen appliance which features a modular design to remove plates, which I'll be showing you in just a moment. But this video is just an unboxing and first look at this awesome appliance that you can get on Amazon for around $50. As usual, I'll put the link in the description so you guys can check it out. When you first open the box, you're greeted with all the literature. So you got the warranty, registration information, a quick start guide, as well as the full manual with a couple of recipes. And it also comes with this plastic tool that you can use to help scrape off the excess stuff that's left on your grill or griddle. And then finally, taking it out of the styrofoam and all its excess plastic and cardboard packaging, you're greeted with the 5-in-1 Griddler. So it's called 5-in-1 because it can perform 5 different functions. So it can be like a contact grill, especially with the two halves pressed against each other. And then if you have it in the Griddler side, the flat side, you can use it as a Panini Press. You can use it as a full grill with the rich side, full griddle with the flat side, half grill, half griddle. So those are the 5 functions you can perform with this appliance. And then here in the back, you can see the grease pan that's used to catch the grease that would run off the hot plates, and it is removable here from the side. So it's easily removable and cleanable this way, and you can see how it sits from the bottom. Here in the front are the 3 knobs, the middle one to control it on, whether it's just the bottom plate or both of them, and then the other 2 knobs are to control the temperature of those hot plates. To power it, you just plug it into your standard outlet via this power cord right here. So there you have it, guys. That's your quick unboxing and first look at the Cuisinart 5-in-1 Griddler, the GR-4N. I'll definitely be doing a review on this once I had time to put it through its paces to try out different types of food that I can cook on this. So definitely subscribe if you haven't already to see that video when it comes out. Thanks for watching, guys.